Hello, welcome my dear friends. Today I am going to explain you how to use concatenation operator in Visual Basic. So the use of concatenation operator is to concat to string. So basically concatenation operation ये जो है इसका यूज जो होता है वो दो स्ट्रिंग को कंबाइन करने के लिए होता है. For example, Dharampet is one string and science is another string. And if you want to combine these two strings at a one time, so we have to use concatenation operation. So in Visual Basic also, if you want to concat the two string at a one time, you can use concatenation operator. So in this application, I will try to explain you how to write a code for concatenation operator. So there are two concatenation operator. First one is ampersand, that is address field, and second one is plus sign. Okay. So in this application, I will try to explain you the concatenation, the use of concatenation operator. For that, I am going to use these two text box. Okay, text box are used to display a value. Means one string is displayed in text 1, another string is displayed in text 2, then one command button. After clicking on the command button, the concatenation of the string will be displayed in text 3. So display the value or to display the caption, I am going to use a label control here. This is one label, then another label, and the third label control. Okay, arrange it properly. Then if you want to set the label name, caption property of the label, for that you just select the control and change the text property. Enter string 1. Okay, similarly for label 2, enter string 2. Okay, and for label 3, the output will be displayed in text 3. So that's why here I am going to write label output. Okay, and for button, okay, or you can write it click also. Okay, so after clicking on this button, the form will be displayed to you. Then you enter string 1 and string 2, and then when you click on this command button, the concatenation of the two string will be displayed here. Okay, so to write the code, I'm going to use the variable, and the variables are declared in Visual Basic with dim keyword. Dim sample, I'm going to use sample string str as string. Okay, then string string as. After pressing space bar, the properties, the methods are automatically displayed. So if the methods are not displayed automatically, so it not works. Okay, then we can use another variable, say dim string 1 as, or you can set it as, you can write dim text box 1 as. string, then dim text box, text box. If it is not display, then something is going wrong. Text box to as string, and then text box 3 is equal to, you can either simply write the two string at a one place like hello, then use the operator and world. Okay, then compile the project. There is something. MSG box. I'm going to use MSG box as sample str. And run the program. Enter string, say hello world, and the output is display like hello world. So in this way you can use the concatenation of two string. Here I am trying to concat two strings, string 1, string 2, and the output will be displayed in the message box or in the text box 3.